Design and Maintenance Optimization of Substation Automation Systems, a Multi-Objectivization Approach Exploration, by Dr. David Greiner. Substation automation systems are critical infrastructures whose design and maintenance must be optimized to guarantee a suitable performance. In order to provide a collection of solutions that balance availability and cost, this paper explores the optimization of the design and maintenance of a section of SAS. Multi-objective evolutionary algorithms are combined with discrete event simulation while the performance of two state-of-the-art multi-objective evolutionary algorithms is studied. On the one hand, the non-dominated sorting genetic algorithm 2, and on the other hand, the S-metric selection evolutionary multi-objective optimization algorithm. Such a problem is solved from 2- and 3-objective approaches by attending to the multi-objectivization concept. The robustness of the methodology is brought to light, and benefits were observed from the multi-objectivization approach. Decision makers can employ this knowledge to make informed decisions based on economic and reliability criteria.